Hey and welcome to this new video of mastering Symfony 3. So in this video we will first customize this register and also show you how we can register with either the username or the email. So let's go first and see this view or this twig in here. So we go to first, let's close this config. We go to this view and here registration, and here we have like register.html, and inside it we have an include of register content HTML. So if we go, we see that this form is it's a form widget. So we know already what a form widget is because we explain it in one of those previous video of learning Symfony 3. And to see this form we need to go back to to vendor, friend of Symfony, and here we see form and we search type, and we will registration form, and here it is. And here we see like email, username, password, and all the fields we have in the registration. So now let's go back to the email. So we'll just close the vendor and go back here to our register content HTML. So first I will not use this form widget, I will use form row because he has also like the label and the error. For the widget he has just the input. So here we have I think 3 fields. So the first is form dot email I think, and email, username, and plain password. So I will just copy and paste and change this to username and this to plain password. Save. And now I will use the CSS class or the bootstrap class form group. So here let's use form group. Here it is at the end. Don't know what happened to the image, but let's try again. So dot form group. I will again try it for the last time. Form group. Now he generated, and I will first copy it to 3. So 2 and 3. And inside each one, first with the name, second with the username. And as you know, when we have like the form group, in the input we need to have form control. So I will save this. So let's add the form control to our input. So I will come here and also here, and let's use the second parameter of form row, its attribute. So in this attribute he has also a table, and inside this table we can put basically everything that or every parameter that we can put inside an input, like for example placeholder, require, trim, class, id, and everything. And for the moment we're interested just in the class. So form control, and let's save this. And let's not forget the button, let's give it also a class. So b10, let's make it success, or let's change primary, and then block. Let's save now. And as much as we do for here, for the security for here, we need also to do the same. So we just copy, come here, paste it in here, and copy this, delete this, paste this, and let's make, for example, a title. Only for example h3, and this is a register, so I will just type register. So register, save, and go to login here, and also here add title, so make it h2 also, and here login. So now we will save this, and now let's go and check in our browser. So here let's refresh and see what we will have. So now we see that the style is applied successfully, except for the password and repeat password. Why? Because here in this plain text we have two input, the password and repeat. So to make the text we need to separate them. Dot first, and copy this, paste it in here, and this will be the second. So now if we save, go back and refresh, we will see also that they will be just like this. Now let's try to make this register in center. Let's go to here, or just leave it like that. So now if we go back to login, we will see that also it have the title login, and here we could or we can log in just by username. But for example, if we forgot that username and we want to for example we want to connect with like our email, so how we can do that, let's see. But first let's see, for example, if we used username, I think it's test. No, so I will type it test@gmail.com, and here from 1 to 6. So login, and normally it will not connected, and he will tell us like this user, you see, invalid credential. So now how we can also add the email and username to so the bot can we can type either email or username and we will be connected. So let's go and do that. Let's go to our config, so up config, and then security YAML, security YAML, and here in the provider, so if you remember, I told you that this is the one we will like log in with it. It's username. If you want to add the email, also underscore and type email, but we have like one thing that we need to keep in mind, that this email and username must be unique in the database. So let's save. So now if we go to the browser and try, I'm not sure if he will do it with user with email also. It's not because we have error, but just because this security YAML is still in the cache. So let's clear the cache, and let's with the method php bin cache clear. So let's hit enter to clear the cache, and then let's try it. So now that after the cache is clear, let's go and check. So let's go here, let's refresh, and let's type first let's keep it with the email, and here from 126 let's click on login, and let's see what will happen. So here we see that it's connected successfully with the email. Now let's try again with the username to see. So log out, log in again, and go here with the username, so test, and let's log in. And we will see that also with username it's connected successfully. So now we learn how we can connect with either the username or the email. So I think this is all for this video, and see you next.